To complete the replacement of the rear mufflers, we're going to take this 2 1/4 inch pipe and sleeve it with the 4-inch pipe so that it doesn't look like the Peasant Edition exhaust on the back bumper. To do that, we'll use a little reducer template so that it makes an easier job of sealing the gap between these two, because as you can see, they are nowhere near the same size. Nice paper template, sellotape it on, and then we're going to draw on the pipe to make our own reducers. Particular type of Sharpie you're using there?
No, this is a dry wipe marker.
Dry wipe marker? Okay. Oh, it smells good. Must be an old one. When you take it off, you should have two nice lines.
More or less. Can you see on the shine?
Wow, trippy.
Yeah. Tripping's
not earth enough. I'm going to polish this afterwards. Oh, look at that. We just invented a process. That's what we just did there.
That is positively.
Show that to the camera.
That is a laser.
That is nice and straight.
Panorama.
You good?
Okay.
That's more like it.
Okay. Sweet.
Shit! Not even a little bit. So we've come up with a problem. We can't get the end to reduce. We've tried scoring it, we've tried dremeling it, we've tried wrenching it, we've tried using the vise, and to be honest, there's only one thing left. Beat the shit out of it. That's the closest we've been yet. I'm not gonna lie, this hasn't gone well. We're gonna try and weld that into the exhaust, but it's the most messed up piece of metal I've ever seen in my life. When do we give up?